Hi, my name is Nick Temple. I work for Mobile Industrial Robots, and we're here at PAC EXPO Las Vegas. What we're really showing off here today are a couple different products of ours. So we have the Mir 1000 and the Mir 500. Those robots are focused on pallet movement. What we have as an ecosystem that's growing is different types of top modules. So the top modules accessories we have on display is the TR 1000 from ROEC. So this company provides different conveyor top modules, but also shelf solutions for our customers for moving not only pallets but also carts or individual totes. The automation solution is very flexible and scalable as a result of our open communication protocols. So we have an API and also Modbus TCP/IP as communication to our robot for any kind of top module accessories. And we're really excited because that means we have a growing ecosystem called Mir Go on our website, so you can find other companies besides ROEC as well there, and I hope to see you soon.